Do you have pigtails in? You do? Let me see. Oh, there she goes. She's running. So they're not very even, are they?
What?
Olive, what you doing? Uh-oh, did you fall down? I thought you were going to show off how you can stand up by yourself. You are? That's using Mommy. You can do it all by yourself, can't you? I know, you love Mommy's phone. Your hair looks so silly. So silly, Mommy. Eli, you want to say hi?
Hi.
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 What are you building?
Hi.
Hi, 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 he says. Oh, you're building with blocks. I like it. Very good. And you found some more? You need more?
No.
Oh, you found another one. Uh-oh. Are they falling over? Olive, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Oh, Eli says hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
I believe you just knocked him over a minute ago. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say I love you.
See you. Bye.
I love you, Papa, he says. Say bye-bye, Olive.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, bye-bye, Eli.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.